Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use new motion tracking feature on CapCut on your PC. So to do this is pretty simple. Here I have my clip. All you want to do is Control C, Control V. So we copy it and paste it. So basically you have two clips now. Paste it on top. From there, here in your video, go to the top right corner and then locate tracking. Here you have your motion tracking, so you can track both forward and backward. So let's do both. So you can also scale the follow the tracking object and distance for the following track. So all you want to do is go to the start, and basically you also want to correct the tracking software right here, for example. So let's do this and then do this and then press start. From there it's going to track your object or your motion basically from what it's doing. So it's going to do it for a while, so you don't really have to worry, it won't take that much time. As you can see, it's already tracking my object, and there you go. So from there it's already tracked the object, and let's see if it worked. So there you go, it's now motion tracking. So that's how it works. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.